Your alarm blares, but it's not just the sound that jolts you awake. It's the weight of a world already pressing in. A flood of emails waits, a tense conversation looms, and the endless scroll of news and opinions hums in the background, threatening to unravel your calm. Life feels like a tightrope. Each step wobbles under demands, distractions, and doubts. What if you could build a core of resilience, a Stoicism mindset that steadies you no matter how fiercely the winds blow? This isn't about dodging life's chaos, it's about forging mental strength to thrive within it. Welcome to Stoicism Exercises 15, brought to you by Stoic Rain, where Stoic philosophy transforms into Stoicism exercises to spark Stoicism motivation, nurture mental health, and guide Stoicism for beginners. Ready to build resilience? Say, I forge my strength in the comments, and let's dive into 14 transformative Stoicism practices to anchor your Stoicism daily life. Stoic philosophy isn't a dusty relic. It's a forge for modern struggles, from workplace stress to fractured relationships and digital overload. Drawing on Marcus Aurelius's clarity and Epictetus's grit, these Stoicism exercises blend wisdom and action to sharpen mindfulness, boost productivity, and deepen self-improvement. Whether you're exploring Stoicism for women, navigating Stoicism on love, or seeking Stoicism lessons as a beginner, this guide is your blueprint for mental resilience. Meet 7 people who forged strength with Stoicism practice, then try 14 groundbreaking Stoicism exercises to reduce anxiety and thrive. Lila, a 31-year-old marketing manager, felt crushed by tight deadlines and a critical boss, eroding her confidence. The flare of resilience practice steadied her, boosting her mental health. Stoicism for women reignited her drive. Omar, a 47-year-old mechanic, grappled with customer complaints and financial strain, fraying his patience. The root of balance practice grounded him, enhancing his productivity. Stoicism motivation restored his calm. Tara, a 28-year-old barista, faced snide remarks from coworkers, dimming her spirit. The shield of insight practice shielded her, fostering self-improvement. Stoicism practice sparked her warmth. Isaac, a 39-year-old single dad, juggled parenting and a demanding tech job, leaving him drained. The pulse of endurance practice anchored him, nurturing mindfulness. Stoicism for beginners steadied his home. Priya, a 34-year-old therapist, battled burnout from endless client sessions and social media noise clouding her focus. The stream of clarity practice cleared her mind, easing anxiety. Stoicism daily habits fueled her empathy. Evan, a 52-year-old teacher, felt overwhelmed by polarized debates and grading pressures, dulling his purpose. The beacon of duty practice realigned him, boosting motivation. Stoic philosophy sharpened his resolve. Amara, a 26-year-old freelancer, wrestled with self-doubt and client rejections, shaking her dreams. The crest of courage practice lifted her, empowering self-improvement. Stoicism lessons lit her path. Lila, Omar, Tara, Isaac, Priya, Evan, and Amara show Stoic philosophy turns chaos into strength, from work to home to heart. Here are 14 revolutionary Stoicism exercises to forge your Stoicism mindset, perfect for Stoicism relationships, Stoicism for beginners, and those seeking Stoicism daily resilience. Top 14. Stoicism exercises to build mental resilience. Flare of resilience ignite your strength. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius, when stress surges like a harsh critique, press your fingertips together for 10 seconds, picturing a flare piercing darkness. Name one action to stand firm, like revising a project, calmly. Do it. Then whisper, "My flare burns." Draw a small flame in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise boosts mental health and Stoicism motivation, anchoring resilience. Lila flared to face her boss. Root of balance. Steady your core. Patience is an invincible challenge. Seneca, when frustration spikes like a rude client, roll your shoulders back for 12 seconds, imagining roots anchoring a tree. Ask, what can I control here? Respond with calm like a polite reply, then say, "My roots hold." Sketch a tree in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice enhances productivity, grounding Stoicism daily calm. Omar rooted to stay patient. Shield of insight, deflect negativity. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Marcus Aurelius, when criticism stings, like a coworker's jab, blink slowly for 8 seconds, picturing a shield deflecting arrows. Ask, what's their intent? Respond with warmth like a smile, then say, "My shield guards." Draw a shield in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise fosters self-improvement, easing anxiety. Terra shielded to stay bright. Pulse. Of endurance. Sustain your effort. What need is there to weep over parts of life? The whole of it calls for tears. Seneca, when exhaustion hits, like parenting stress, tap your knee twice, feeling a pulse. Picture a steady heartbeat. Name one task to persist, like reading to your child. Do it, then say, "My pulse drives." Mark a dot in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice nurtures mindfulness, strengthening Stoicism for beginners. Isaac pulse to parent with love. Stream of clarity, clear digital noise. There is only one way to happiness, to cease worrying about things beyond our power. Epictetus, when distractions overwhelm, like notifications, stroke your ear. Gently for 15 seconds, picturing a stream washing away clutter. Name one focus, like writing a note. Act on it, then say, "My stream flows." Draw a wavy line in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise sharpens Stoicism daily focus, boosting productivity. Priya stream to stay clear. Beacon of duty, honor your role. You need not be troubled. It's better you think how not to be. Marcus Aurelius, each morning, twist a pen for 10 seconds, picturing a beacon guiding ships. Name one duty, like grading papers fairly. Act on it, then say, "My beacon shines." Sketch a light in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice fuels motivation, grounding Stoic philosophy. Evan beaconed to teach with purpose. Crest of courage. Face your fears. The only way to ease our fear is to face it. Seneca, before a daunting task like pitching an idea, clench your palms for 12 seconds, picturing a crest rising above waves. Name one brave act, like speaking up. Do it, then say, "My crest soars." Draw a peak in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise empowers self-improvement, sparking Stoicism motivation. Omar crested to chase her dreams. Haven of gratitude, reframe challenges. Think of what you have, rather than of what you lack. Seneca, each evening, hold a small object, a coin or a key, for 15 seconds, feeling its weight. List 3 gifts, like a friend's call or a tough lesson's wisdom. Write how one challenge grew you, then say, "My haven heals." Draw a circle in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice boosts mental health, reframing Stoicism lessons. Lila haven to find peace. Lens of simplicity. Focus on essentials. No man is free who is not master of himself. Epictetus, when choices overwhelm, like work-family balance, rub your wrists for 10 seconds, picturing a lens sharpening light. Ask, what matters most? Act on one priority, like family dinner, then say, "My lens clears." Sketch a by square in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise enhances productivity, grounding Stoicism for beginners. Isaac lensed to balance life. Teo, cord of connection, build empathy. Kindness is invincible, provided it's sincere. Marcus Aurelius, when tension flares, like a heated argument, hum quietly for 8 seconds, imagining a cord linking souls. Ask them what's their struggle. Offer empathy, like a calm question, then say, "My cord unites." Draw an arc in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice strengthens Stoicism relationships, fostering Stoicism on love. Tara corded to ease workplace strife. Tide of release, Let go of grudges. All things are in flux. The flux is subject to change. Heraclitus, when resentment lingers, like a client's slight, trace your palm slowly for 12 seconds, picturing a tide washing away weight. Name one grudge to release, like a harsh email. Let it go, then say, "My tide frees." Draw a flowing curve in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise eases anxiety, enhancing mindfulness. Omar tided to move. Forward. 12. Pillar of presence. Stay in the moment. Each day provides its own gifts. Marcus Aurelius midday. When chaos peaks like a packed schedule, stand still for 15 seconds, feet planted. Picture a pillar standing firm. Breathe deeply, then say, "My pillar grounds." Note one present moment in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice fosters mental health. Grounding Stoicism daily focus. Pillared to stay centered. Glow of virtue. Reflect on actions. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus at night. Sit quietly for 12 seconds, picturing a glow lighting your day. Ask, did I act with courage or kindness? Note one virtue shown, like patience, then say, "My glow shines." Draw a crescent in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise deepens self-improvement, strengthening Stoicism lessons. Evan glowed to grow as a teacher. Dawn of purpose. Start with intent, begin at once to live, and count each day as a new life. Seneca, each sunrise, sip water for 20 seconds, savoring its coolness. Plan one purposeful act, like mentoring a colleague. Do it, then say, "My dawn ignites." Mark a sun in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice sparks Stoicism motivation, uplifting mental health. Omar dawned to pursue her craft. These 14 Stoicism exercises are your forge to craft a Stoicism mindset that endures, turning stress, conflict, and doubt into resilience, clarity, and connection. They reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and transform chaos into strength. Whether you're new to Stoicism for beginners or refining Stoicism practice, these Stoicism lessons weave Stoic quotes with actionable steps for mindfulness and self-improvement. Ideal for Stoicism for women, Stoicism on love, or anyone seeking Stoicism. Daily habits, they build mental resilience. Start with one Stoicism exercise like Flare of Resilience for strength or Chord of Connection for empathy. Practice it for 7 days. Track it in your Stoicism journal and watch your Stoic philosophy flourish. These Stoicism daily practices are your forge, crafting a life of purpose and calm. Stoic philosophy isn't for scholars. It's for real people like Lila conquering deadlines, Omar navigating complaints, Tara rising above snark, Isaac balancing fatherhood, Priya fighting burnout, Evan finding purpose, Amara chasing dreams, or you facing life's storms. These Stoicism exercises fit into hectic days, taking moments but delivering enduring strength. They steady you whether tackling workplace drama, family pressures, or inner doubts. For Stoicism relationships, they foster empathy. For Stoicism motivation, they ignite courage. For Stoicism for beginners, they make resilience tangible. Stoicism isn't about escaping chaos. It's about forging what you control, your focus, your response, your virtue. Picture a frantic moment, a flooded inbox, a sharp critique, a sleepless worry. Instead of faltering, you say, "I forge my strength." That's Stoic philosophy at work, fueled by Stoic quotes. These Stoicism exercises are your anvil, crafting a Stoicism mindset that holds firm. Life is a crucible. Deadlines, conflicts, distractions test your core. Stoicism hands you a forge to shape resilience, clarity, and connection. You need no tools or hours, just a Stoicism journal, a spark, and these Stoicism practices to guide you. These Stoicism daily habits sculpt your life into a masterpiece of intention and grace. The world's chaos, notifications, pressures, doubts can shake your foundation. But Stoic philosophy, rooted in Stoicism lessons, shows you how to forge it unbreakable. These Stoicism exercises turn trials into triumphs, keeping your mental health vibrant and your spirit steady. Try Root of Balance tonight. Feel its power. Keep forging, and your Stoicism daily habits will build a Stoicism mindset that's resilient, grounded, and yours. Stoicism is simple to spark. A pen, 5 minutes resolve, that's all it takes. Each Stoicism exercise is a flame, small yet mighty, forging a Stoicism mindset that endures. You'll stand firm where others waver, connect where others drift, shine where others fade. That's the power of Stoicism practice. It shapes Stoicism on love and a life you're meant to live. Perfect for Stoicism for women and Stoicism for beginners. Your challenges don't define you. Your resilience does. These Stoicism exercises are your forge to turn stress into strength, doubt into clarity, and chaos into calm. If this stirred your soul, comment, "I forge my strength." Share your favorite Stoicism exercise, maybe Shield of Insight or Dawn of Purpose, and join our 7-Day Stoic Forge Challenge. Pick one Stoicism practice, live it daily, and tag a friend to join. Hit like, subscribe to Stoic Reign for more Stoicism motivation and Stoicism lessons, and share this with someone battling life's chaos, ready for Stoic philosophy's resilience and calm, packed with Stoic quotes. Your power is your resilience. Your strength is your clarity. With these Stoicism daily practices, you're not just enduring, you're forging a life of purpose and strength. Let's forge with Stoic Reign.